It's time to learn the 5 rules of the electric field. The electric field is a force field that fills space, pushing and pulling on electrically charged objects. Rule number 1. Imagine this red ball is a large positive charge. Now we can test out the electric field with a small imaginary test charge. This is also positive. As I bring it nearby, you can feel the repulsion up close, a little weaker with distance. And on the other side, we also notice a repulsion, positive repelling positive in every direction. And that's all the first rule is. The arrows show the net force on a small, imaginary, positive test charge. Rule number 2. Electric field arrows point out of positive and into negative. Out of positives and into negatives. But of course they do. That's the direction a positive test charge would be forced. Out of positives and into negatives. Out of positives and into negatives. Out of positives and into negatives. These other far-off lines will just keep on going to oblivion. Rule number 3. Line density is field strength. That is, closer lines are together, the stronger the electric field. For example, if I add another positive charge to this glob of charge, it will increase the number of electric field lines, doubling the strength of the electric field. Now I want you to notice that the space between the lines increases. That is, the further away you get, the weaker the field is getting. If I add yet more charges, we have to add yet more electric field lines. You can witness the electric field in action when using a plasma ball. The electric field around a plasma ball is strong enough to ionize mercury, neon, helium, and even the air itself. Here, I'm helping the air get ionized with a conductor, a penny. But the effect weakens with distance. Rule number 4. Electric field lines never cross. Imagine 2 positive charges. The net force on an imaginary test charge would be this and this. That is 2 electric field lines. Crossing? No, no. The net force would be in the horizontal, as the 2 forces cancel in the vertical, leaving a resultant electric field horizontally to the right. Rule number 5. Electric field lines are perpendicular to the source and the terminal. That is, they always come out perpendicular to surfaces that are positive and enter perpendicular to the surfaces that are negative. Perpendicular at all times. This can be seen in these lettuce seed demonstrations. Soaked in vegetable oil are little lettuce seeds, and each side is getting charged oppositely. You'll notice the electric field is perpendicular to the conductors, even if the conductor is just a single point charge. Notice also that the electric field is 0 inside of this conductor. That is, there are no lettuce seeds moving. Review. As a review, consider these 2 charges, one positive and the other negative. This one's twice as charged as the other one. Now the lines must go out of positive and into negative, but the twice as charged one will get twice as many lines as the negative one. But the negative's lines will go into it. Now the electric field lines can never cross. So these ones have to travel to meet these ones. Notice that they're all exiting perpendicular. And now that you know these rules, you can draw any electric field. Good luck.